Prologue: The Ripple Effect. In 2025, a historic ruling shook up the cryptocurrency universe. Ripple Labs, embroiled in a long-standing legal battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, emerged victorious when the court ruled that XRP was not a security. The lawsuit had cast a shadow over Ripple and the broader cryptocurrency space since 2020, was resolved in Ripple's favor, setting the stage for an unprecedented surge in both the legitimacy of XRP and the entire digital asset space. The SEC had accused Ripple of selling XRP as an unregistered security and faced significant backlash as it became clear that this victory would reverberate throughout the financial world. The court found that Ripple's token, XRP, was legally tradable and did not meet the requirements to be classified as a security under the Howey test. It was a landmark moment, one that not only vindicated Ripple, but also paved the way for the entire cryptocurrency industry to flourish. The SEC, after considering an appeal, chose not to contest the ruling. This decision sent shockwaves across the market. Overnight, XRP soared, and a new chapter in the crypto world began. The long-awaited bull run of XRP and its counterparts kicked off, marking the beginning of a new financial paradigm. What had started as a legal battle transformed into the dawn of a crypto renaissance. Within weeks of the case settlement, another monumental event took place: the launch of USD, a digital reserve currency fully backed by assets on the XRP ledger, and the decoupling and delisting of non-compliant digital currencies, USDC and USDT. Trillions of dollars from global institutions, governments, and individual investors flowed onto the ledger, catapulting XRP's market cap to unimaginable heights. The world's largest banks and financial institutions began tokenizing real estate, commodities, and even national currencies onto the blockchain. It was a global migration into the quantum financial system, QFS, fueled by the unstoppable momentum of Ripple's victory and the undeniable strength of XRP as a global currency. As XRP's value skyrocketed, climbing past $12,500 per token, the broader financial markets began to take notice. This wasn't just a bull run, it was the start of the greatest financial reset in world history. The collapse of the US dollar, euro, and Japanese yen, already foreshadowed by years of unsustainable debt and inflation, was hastened by the growing adoption of XRP in the QFS. Governments and corporations scrambled to reposition themselves, aware that the old systems were no longer viable or sustainable. This victory in the courts is the turning point, not only for Ripple but for the entire global financial system. The ruling signals the end of the traditional financial order, making the beginning of a new era of decentralized finance powered by blockchain and cryptocurrency. It also triggers the mass adoption of USD, the blockchain-based digital reserve currency that underpins the new global financial system, replacing USDT and USDC or other non-compliant stablecoins. The interconnectedness of world events, from the Brunson case wiping out Congress to the collapse of the USD and the rise of XRP. The Ripple SEC ruling acts as a catalyst for the mass tokenization of assets worldwide, including debt tokenization, which allowed the United States to pay back its $34 trillion debt, once and for all. Every real-world asset, whether physical, digital, or financial, is now traded on the XRPL, creating an unstoppable tidal wave of liquidity, growth, and financial freedom. This historic settlement is going to go down in the history books as just one more way Ripple pushed back against unstable and non-asset-backed financial systems, corrupt governments, and looming global conflict. It is a story not just of monetary deliverance, but also the awakening to corruption over the entire globe during tribunals. As world powers crumble and alliances change, the QFS alongside XRP provides humanity with an escape pod to safety from the destruction on course of the old financial system. Ripple's win against the SEC is more than an ordinary lawsuit victory. It represents a signal of decentralization of power and seed sown for our future generation. As the Brunson case rips its way through Washington, breaking all of the old political and financial monopolistic regimes worldwide, dismantling the old guard, XRP's victory becomes the signal that the quantum financial system, the financial structure of the future, is already here.